The local residents of Takurbari, located near Nakam Bazaar in Tura, are complaining that they are facing big hardship around the area as people are recklessly throwing garbage all over the place. They also said that the area is stinking as the municipal drain is flooded with dirty waters. The residents have complained the matter to the Tura Municipal Board, but things are yet to be rectified. The residents said if the situation does not improve, they will eventually face a major health hazard in the area.
There is massive dumping of garbage, household garbage, industrial garbage, every sort of garbage in and around the bridge which leads to the alley, and it works as our entryway for our house. So due to that, there is massive odor. The drain is also being blocked by that garbage too, and the entryway from the road to our house filled with garbage, and it is not a hygienic thing. So that is another problem. Now, when these problems were written into a letter and were given to the Tura municipality, the Takurbari took offense and they started a WhatsApp circulation where there was defamation of my late father, Mr. Samir Kumar Das, and his chosen representative here. Mr. Nikhil Das, who is my father's chosen representative here, has been threatened for his life for standing up and talking about our problems of the drain, of the latrine, of everything. Also, they declared that it is an illogical declaration, but they did declare that my father is not a Hindu, so his opinion will not be considered. And as a result of that, his representative is also not considered as Hindu, so his opinion will also not be considered. It saddened me to think that religion was dragged into this, because where is the talk of Hindu, Muslim, Christian, Buddhism, Jain coming into this? It is a municipality problem and we were trying to address that. So lives were not lost, like the people who died because of the landslide. So we could live in a healthy and peaceful environment.